Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study social science for NDA. First, thoroughly review the official syllabus to identify all required topics. Next, prioritize subjects like history, geography, and political science, as they often carry significant weight. Then, establish a consistent daily study schedule, allocating specific time slots for each subject. This structured approach ensures comprehensive coverage and better retention of key information, setting a strong foundation for your preparation. To build a strong base, focus on fundamental concepts from insert textbooks, especially for classes 9 through 12. Supplement your learning with reliable reference books for a more in-depth understanding of complex topics. As you study, create concise notes, highlighting important dates, events, and definitions. These notes will be invaluable for quick revision, helping you recall crucial information efficiently before the exam. Consistent practice is key to success. Regularly solve previous year's question papers to understand the exam pattern and question types. Take mock tests frequently to assess your preparation level, identify weak areas, and improve time management. Dedicate specific time each week to revise all subjects. This systematic revision reinforces your learning and ensures that information remains fresh in your memory, boosting your confidence for the actual examination. On exam day, effective time management is crucial. Allocate specific minutes to each section and stick to your plan. Start by attempting questions you are most confident about to build momentum and secure easy marks. Avoid spending too much time on a single difficult question. Move on and return to it later if time permits. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals that can help you stay organized and focused on your goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.